Okay, students, after completing the explanation of the chapter, I will start the reading of this chapter. Okay, student, so you will repeat after me. Okay, students, now curiosity is said to be the mother of invention. Who is called as the mother of invention? Curiosity. Okay, scientists are curious to know and explore different things and process around them. Means what the meaning of curiosity यानी जिज्ञासा होती है ना हर एक चीज़ को जानने की, और साइंटिस्ट के अंदर जिज्ञासा होती है कि वो हर एक चीज़ों को जाने, टू नो, और उनको वो एक्सप्लोर कर सके. ओके, वी इंजॉय ऑल द कंफर्ट्स ऑफ knowledge as well as life today. This would have not been possible without the effort and success of numerous scientific invention. यानी आज जो हम हमारे लाइफ में कंफर्ट ऑफ नॉलेज है और लाइफ बहुत अच्छी, वो किस वजह से है? वो इसलिए क्योंकि बहुत सारा एफर्ट और सक्सेस जो बहुत सारे साइंटिफिक इन्वेंशन की वजह से सारा किसने बनाया था? वो साइंटिस्ट ने बनाया था. ओके, सो सम ऑफ द फेमस साइंटिस्ट ऑफ इंडिया आर आर्यभट्टा, चाणक्य, सी.वी. रमन, ए.पी.जे. अब्दुल कलाम, C.R. राव, विक्रम साराभाई, Homi Baba, and many more. Means in this chapter now we are going to know only about some famous scientists only. Okay, yes, there are many, but here we are going to know about only few scientists. Okay, students, let us read more about some of the famous Indian scientists. Vikram Sarabhai was born in Ahmedabad on 12th August 1919 in a Jain family. Vikram Sarabhai is also a name of the one of the famous scientist, and he was born in Ahmedabad on 12th August 1919 in a Jain family. Okay, the establishment of the Indian Space Research Organization, and the short form is that ISRO was one of his greatest achievement. Who has done the greatest achievement? Vikram Sarabhai. Okay, student, he also support Dr. Homi Bhabha in setting up the first rocket launching station in India. Means what he helped? He also means what he did? Vikram Sarabhai, he had supported the Dr. Homi Bhabha in what? In the thing which was made by Dr. Homi Bhabha was that the first rocket launching station in India. And whom supported to Dr. Homi Bhabha? Vikram Sarabhai. Okay, then second is about Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha. It is the full form. What is the full form of Homi Bhabha? It is Homi Jahangir Bhabha, and he was also one of the famous scientists, widely regarded as the father of the Indian nuclear science program. What it is widely regarded as? What he is widely regarded as? He is regarded as the father of India's nuclear scientific program. Okay, students, which was an Indian nuclear physicist. He was the Indian nuclear physicist, for founding directors and professor on physics at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Means what he was doing? He was founding as a director and professor of physics at where? At the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Okay, then next is Aryabhatta. Now who was Aryabhatta? Aryabhatta was an Indian mathematician and astronomer. He gave the concept of zero and the place value system in maths. Who gave the place value of maths? Place value of system in maths? That was Aryabhatta, and he also gave the concept of zero to the whole world. Okay, Then next is Dr. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. Okay, and who was he? He was an Indian physicist. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. What he was awarded for? Nobel Prize. And when? In 1930 for his discovery in physics known as the Raman effect. When he discovered in physics which is known as Raman effect, he got the Nobel Prize for physics. Okay, so this is the end of the part 1. Okay students, after completing the part 1, we are going to start part 2, and that is famous discoveries and invention. Okay, and in this part we are going to know about the Archimedes, who was the great scientist. He was from the foreign country. Okay, he was not from the India, and we are going to know more about him in this chapter. Okay, so Archimedes was a Greek scientist. To which which country he belongs? He belonged to Greek countries, and he was a Greek scientist. Okay, he lived in Syracuse nearly 2000 years ago. Means he was living in the country nearly 2000 years ago. The king of the land wanted to wear a golden crown. What the king was wanting to wear? He was wanting to wear a golden crown. He gave some gold to a goldsmith to make a suitable crown. Means as he was wanting to wear the golden crown, what the king did? He gave the gold to a goldsmith to make a suitable crown. क्राउन बनाने के लिए उन्होंने क्या दिया? गोल्ड दिया. और किसको दिया? गोल्डस्मिथ को. आफ्टर अ फ्यू डेज द गोल्डस्मिथ केम विथ द क्राउन टू द किंग. After some days, what happened? After few days, that goldsmith made that crown and he came to the king. The crown was weight. किंग ने क्या किया? जब उन्हें गोल्डस्मिथ ने क्राउन दे दिया तो उन्होंने उसका वेट किया. The weight of the crown was equal to the gold given to the goldsmith by the king. What the king thought, that whether the crown of the weight of the crown that he has given to the goldsmith to make the crown is equal to the gold given by him to the goldsmith. Means उनको ऐसा लग रहा था कि जो उन्होंने क्राउन बना के लाया है उसका वज़न जो गोल्डस्मिथ क्राउन बना के लाए है गोल्ड का, वो दोनों का वेट सेम ही होगा, ऐसा वो सोचने लगा. द गोल्ड लुक एट द color of the crown. He suspected that the goldsmith has stolen some gold. Means उन्होंने क्या देखा? सबसे पहले उस क्राउन का कलर देखा, and he thought that the goldsmith might have taken the gold of that crown. Okay, had stolen the crown. He thought that the goldsmith have stolen the crown from the goldsmith have stolen the gold from the crown. Okay, and his thought of that he must have to find out the result whether he has taken or not, and for that what he had done we are going to see. But the king was not sure. जब उन्होंने चेक किया कि जो गोल्डस्मिथ क्राउन लाए हैं उसमें जो गोल्ड है और जो उन्होंने दिया है वो सेम है या नहीं, या शायद गोल्डस्मिथ ने कोई गोल्ड चोरी किया हुआ हो, स्टोलन द क्राउन. बट ही वॉज थिंकिंग कि क्या वो जो सोच रहे हैं वो श्योर है या नहीं है. The king wanted to find out the truth. What the king was thinking, that he wanted to find out the truth. वो सच पहचानना चाहते थे, जानना चाहते थे, पता करना चाहते थे कि क्या जो गोल्डस्मिथ ने दिया है उसका वेट और जो क्राउन उन्होंने बना के दिया है उसका जो वेट है वो सेम है, क्या वो सच है कि नहीं, उन्होंने कुछ भी चुराया नहीं है ऐसा. He asked his court scientist Archimedes to find out, and to whom he told to find out this truth, he told to Archimedes that he has to find out whether that goldsmith has taken the gold or not. The king said, find out how much gold has been stolen. Means he told to Archimedes that you have to find out that how much gold has been stolen. हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द ट्रूथ, और वो ये भी जानना चाहते कि ऐसा क्या करना चाहिए जिससे हमें सच का पता चल जाए. Archimedes thought about the problem day and night. He was thinking for the problem whole day and night. One day he was about to have his bath. Means what happened one day when he was going for his bath? Now what happened? But he was busy thinking. Means when he went for the bath, he was just thinking about what would be the result. So he was thinking about that only now. He did not notice the bathtub. What he did after going there, वो bathtub जब बात करने के लिए वहाँ चले तो गए, पर उनका इस बात पे बिल्कुल भी ध्यान नहीं था जब वो bathtub में गए. The water in the bathtub was already full to the brim. He slid into the bathtub. Immediately, a large quantity of water flowed over the brim of the bathtub. मीन्स जहाँ पे वो नहाने के लिए गए थे ना, जिस बाथटब के यहाँ पे, वो पहले से ही भरा हुआ था. तो जैसे ही उन्होंने कदम रखा तो क्या हो गया, वो पूरा जो वाटर था वो ओवर हो गया उस बाथटब से. ही नोटिस दिस. Suddenly there was a flash in his mind. जैसे ही उन्हें इस बात का नोटिस किया कि देखो वाटर तो पहले से ही था और उसमें और वाटर ऐड करने से क्या हो गया, वो लार्ज क्वांटिटी जो है वो वाटर टब से बाहर आ गई. तब उन्होंने ध्यान दिया और वो उनके दिमाग में तुरंत ही उसका आंसर भी तभी आ गया और वो ज़ोरों से वो शाउट करने लग गए. He jumped out of the bathtub shouting. जैसे ही उन्होंने जो उनको फाइंड आउट करना था वो पता चल गया तो उन्होंने ज़ोरों से शाउटिंग शुरू कर दी. यूरेका यूरेका. यूरेका इन ग्रीक मीन्स आई हैव फाउंड इट. मीन्स यूरेका यूरिका करके जब वो चिल्ला रहे थे तो यूरिका का मतलब इन ग्रीक मीन्स आई हैव फाउंड इट. अकॉर्डिंग टू द ग्रीक पीपल्स नाउ यूरिका मीन्स व्हाट, दैट दे हैव फाउंड इट. एंड हियर द हु वाज थिंकिंग that Archimedes was saying loudly na, Eureka means he was telling that I have found it. Thus it was found that different metal of the same weight have different वॉल्यूम. यानी जो डिफरेंट मेटल होते हैं ना सेम वेट के, उनके वॉल्यूम जो होते हैं वो डिफरेंट होता है. ऑब्जेक्ट पुट इन वाटर विल डिस्प्ले वाटर. यानी आप कुछ भी वाटर में ऑब्जेक्ट को डिस्प्ले करोगे वाटर में तो वाटर ही होगा. द डिस्प्लेस्ड वाटर विल बी इक्वल टू द वॉल्यूम. इन दिस वे दे फाइंड आउट द thing that how the weight of the weight is been we have to find out how we have to find out the weight of the different things and what is the volume of that things was found from who has founded that. Archimedes has found out that how we have to find the weight. Okay, so from in this part of reading part 2 we have completed the reading part of this chapter also. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.